4 easy ways to develop kindness.
In a world filled with misery, war, and anger, being kind to your neighbor can sometimes seem like a foreign concept. Whether that neighbor lives directly next to you or in a bus shed 2 miles away, it's easy to overlook brotherhood. However, it's improbable that you'll achieve true happiness without taking the happiness of others into consideration. If you're struggling with showing kindness, take a step back. It's important to show love and kindness to others. They'll live a better quality life, and you'll receive kindness in return. Adopt these approaches and see how easily you can develop greater kindness. Walk a mile in someone else's shoes. Avoiding someone's need is a form of unkindness. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. What are they feeling? How are they coping? Would you be able to manage under those same circumstances? Consider how you'd want to be treated by others if you were in a similar situation. This is the best way to understand and appreciate the struggles of others and the value of kindness. Even when someone offends you, try to take the high road. Their reaction to you may be fueled by something unknown to you. Give them the benefit of the doubt when you can. Count your blessings. Spend time at the end of each day counting your blessings. Take a look at all the positive things you've accomplished. Blessings develop from acts of kindness. Avoid taking your blessings for granted. Perhaps the source of the kindness is unknown to you. It could simply come from the universe. But know that it's given to you with your best interest at heart.
For every act of kindness you've been blessed with, try to pay it forward. If you count 20 blessings today, be kind to others 20 times. After a while, you'll automatically be kind to others. Choose a sharing partner. Ask a friend or family member to become your sharing partner. Commit to sharing every tangible gift or blessing with that person. Develop the spirit of wanting others to experience the same kindness that you do.
If you buy yourself a slice of cake, split it with your sharing partner. The first few times might be rough, especially if it's your favorite cake. But keep at it. Spend time sharing stories of kindness received from others. Reflecting on these situations can help you feel grateful for everything good in your life. It also encourages you to share with those in need. Smile at everyone you meet. As strange as it sounds, there's a special power in a smile. Try it out and see for yourself. Just like every other positive trait, developing consistent kindness takes work. This is especially true if it's a new concept to you. So take it one day at a time. Conquer your desire to turn a blind eye. Avoid the urge to say something mean. Take the high road, listen to your conscience, and follow your heart. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.